Alright, let's talk security cameras, because this right here is the ANKE C300, and it might be one of the simplest wired security cameras I've tested in a while. But before we get into it, a quick disclosure. ANKE sent me this camera for free to make a review video. They did not pay me for this video, and as always, all opinions you hear are my own. Now let's jump into it. The ANKE C300 is a wired security camera designed for people who want a reliable, no-nonsense surveillance setup. This is not a smart battery-powered Wi-Fi only camera. This is more of a set and forget type of device. And honestly, that's exactly what I like about it. First of all, installation is super easy. You mount the camera, connect the cables, and that's basically it. No complicated steps. You do have to download the app, but that goes pretty much straightforward, so there are no guessing or where things go. Everything feels very straightforward, even if you're not super tech savvy. And the same goes for the entire setup, right? So once it's connected, the camera is recognized quickly and you're up and running without any frustration. Now let's talk about image quality, because this is where the C300 really surprised me. The footage looks sharp and clear. And what impressed me most is how well it performs, as you see here. Even when the lighting isn't perfect, you still get usable, detailed image. For a security camera in this category, that's exactly what you want. Now, of course, most devices are not perfect, so let's talk about things that I don't like. And for some people, this might be even a deal breaker. The ANKE C300 does not have Wi-Fi. That means you must use a cable to connect it to the internet. So if a camera is not close to your router or modem, you'll need a pretty long cable. This isn't a problem if you plan your setup properly, but it is something you need to think about before buying. Who is the ANKE C300 for? If you want a stable wired connection, easy installation and setup, good image quality even in low light, and a camera that just works, then this is a very solid option. But if you're looking for Wi-Fi only, battery powered, super flexible placement, then this might not be the right camera for you. Overall, the ANKE C300 does exactly what it promises. It's easy to install, easy to set up, and delivers good image quality where it matters. Just make sure you're okay with the wired internet connection, and you'll have reliable security camera on your hands. If you want to check out the ANKE C300 for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment section below. And of course, if this video helped you, hit that like button. For more honest tech reviews, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy. Good luck.